And at last I want to end with few words written by me that दहेज क्या है उस बाप से पूछो जो अपना सब कुछ अपनी बेटी के रूप में दे देता है, जिसको बचपन से पाल पोस कर बड़ा किया, जिसको पढ़ाया लिखाया, जिसके नाच नखरे उठाए, उसको ऐसे इंसान को दे देता है जिसको वो जानता भी नहीं है। और वो देता इस भरोसे से है कि उसकी बेटी को दुनिया की सारी खुशी मिलेगी, वो हमेशा खुश रहेगी। पर अंत में उसको मिलता क्या है? अपनी मरी हुई बेटी की लाश। दहेज क्या है ये उस बाप से पूछो जिसकी जमीन भी चली गई और जिगर का टुकड़ा भी। Hello everyone, I am Shivangi and today our topic is dowry system. And I would like to start it with the Hindi line. दहेज लेना कोई आसान बात नहीं। दहेज लेने के लिए आपके अंदर निर्लज्जता, लालचीपन और भिखारीपन होना चाहिए। And now I would like to start that nowadays dowry system is a major problem of our country, and not our country but also it is very worldwidely famous. And nowadays so many girls commit suicide, so many girls burned by their in-laws, and they face torture, taunt and depression in their in-laws house. A father who give his daughter to someone, he give his entire life, he give his everything in the face of his daughter, because a girl who is grown in a very lovable environment, very warm and very sweet ways. Girls and father relation is something like one of the most precious relationship in this world, and they raise their daughter with a love and care. When they send her to someone's house, they expect that their daughter will be very happy, and they want her to be the happiest woman in this world. And when she face these all things, just like torture, taunt, depression in her home, she feel very bad. Her whole world become like a hell. So she commits suicide, or her in-laws burn her, kill her in many ways. So a woman should be independent. The first thing is to be independent. A girl should complete her education and graduation and be independent in her life. So she should say yes for a marriage. And I don't know what kind of boys are in this world or men are in this world who get agreed to take dowry from a girl family. And if he have no guts to earn, so he should firstly learn how to earn money. He should firstly be able to earn money to feed his family, to be a real man who know how to behave like a man. One should never take dowry and one should never give a dowry. Both are doing crime in the same level. And a girl must should be independent, must should be earning, so she can marry. She is not getting jobs, she is not earning, so her parents get married to her, get married to her, and she also get married. She should never marry until she is earning woman, because if she is earning, she can, when her family, her in-laws will torture her, her husband will ask her for dowry, she can slap them, she can divorce him, and she can live her life by herself. She can live like a perfect human being who is not in the depression, in pressure of any money and something like this. And one family who is asking for dowry, they are not family, they are just group of beggars. They are asking for something from the girl, and they can never be satisfied with anything. They should think that one father who is giving his daughter to them with a lot of belief. They are strangers until they get married. They get married with that girl. So he gave his daughter with very belief that her daughter will be happy, but they do very bad with her. So they are not family. They cannot be called as family.